Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to replace this Toyota Transponder Key battery. Very common one used for different years, different models. Pretty easy. The battery you will need is a CR2016 and you can click on the link below to do it online. All we will need is a small flathead, okay, and the key and a replacement battery, as I said. Alright, so first we have to take the cover off, okay. As you can see, there is a small slot right here, so I insert and I turn clockwise, okay, just like that, and gently I open the key. Now we have to take this part. It comes out just like that. I'll put this aside. Here is the electronics, okay, try not to touch that. Now we have to take this cover off, and I do it by, once again, this spot right here, okay, right here. You will see I pull it up just like that. Once again, this spot right here. You can turn it also clockwise and pull up and it comes off. Now here we have the battery. Now, as I said, CR2016, don't be worried if it falls or anything like that, okay? Just make sure not to touch this, because this is all the electronic chips are. So you simply have to put it back like this, okay? I will take it off just for the video. Make sure it's organized. Even if this comes off, it's also okay. Now all we have to do is simply to take the battery out. Okay, this is a good one. I will put it back in, but as you can see right here, with the screwdriver, and it comes out. Alright, so I'll put it back. This is one, this is two. We can see that everything works. See the red, and we have to put it like this just to make sure it fits. And now face down, okay, we tight, and we just take the cover and we put it back just like that, and we're all good. As you can see, it works. No need to reprogram or anything like that. That's it. Let us know what you think. Thank you.